In this video, I'll show you how to set up a distance-based address selection system using Google Maps. To do this, from the left dashboard FoodOrd menu, we go to Settings and then navigate to the Delivery page. After opening the Delivery page, click on the Google Maps Radius option located at the bottom section. First, you need to create a Google Maps API key. After pasting it into Google Maps and saving, we can proceed by going into the settings. The address of the restaurant in this current example is as follows. To configure this, go to the WooCommerce settings and fill in the address field shown here. Returning to the settings, let me now show you a couple of examples. The radius field defines the delivery range in kilometers from the restaurant's location. As a first example, let's set the delivery radius to 10 kilometers. For a 10-kilometer range, let's set the minimum order amount to 20 and the delivery fee to 1. Here, you can also enter a label for yourself if you wish. For this example, I will leave this field empty. Let's add another radius. For orders within a 20-kilometer range, the minimum order amount is 50 euros. So whether you're using dollars, euros, or any other currency, the minimum should be set to 50. The minimum order amount the customer must place is 50 euros. For a 50 euro order within the 20-kilometer range, there will be a 2 euro delivery fee. Now that we've entered our settings, let's save them. Let's find the copy of the address to close the screen, and let's see which route we should take to create it. This route contains the manual entry fields that were previously set up. This isn't important. I'm pasting the address I just copied here. Once you start typing your address, Google will provide address suggestions. Select your address from the drop-down suggestions and click Save. Once I hit Save, as you can see, addresses located within a 10-kilometer radius of the restaurant are charged a delivery fee of $20. That's all. Your distance-based delivery system is set up and ready to go. You can easily complete this setup by following the steps in this video.